Today I will be showing you my mom's Taiwanese fruit tea recipe. First step, squeeze about 2 oranges and warm it up in the microwave. Add your favorite fruits, pomegranates, apples, lemon, or blueberries, whichever fruits you like. Now, add in your warmed up OJ and hot water and fill up your teapot. You can add in the sweetener to the pot, but I like to add it to my cup at the end to control the sweetness for each cup. Add some green or black tea leaves and let that steep for about 7 minutes, or to make it easier, just add a tea bag to your cup. I like my teas very strong, so sometimes I'll even add 2 tea bags. Lastly, add in some sweetness with some organic agave or honey to keep it somewhat healthy. Let me know if you tried out this recipe, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos coming soon.